Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Nico My Realistic Robot Puppy. So let me just say this up front, this product is a scam. So as you can see here, it is very poorly edited. And then right here also. And there's actually one picture, this one is very poorly edited. They didn't even try. They didn't even try to hide the fact that it's fake. And most of these, for example, this one is AI generated. And if you actually go down here in the reviews, many people saying it is fake. It's not the real product. It's not as advertised. It's a disappointment. There's nothing interactive about this toy, and it's not worth the price. Doesn't move. And keep your dollars. Not realistic at all. Cheaply made. Returning it would cost about $130. Ridiculous. Read the fine print. And yeah, this product is basically a scam, and do not buy it. So it is not real. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.